Oh my god, guys. You gotta see this. Let me get my light. Alright guys, so I have the engine over here for now. I'm going to go ahead and remove the transfer case and try to pull out the transmission so I could get the block on the engine stand later. Slide this thing around. I apologize if you guys can't see all the stuff that I'm doing. What I'm doing is removing the bracket that mounts to the engine and holds the transfer case on. Just to get that out of the way. Ooh, I found another hole, guys. And that's what I was removing, just the transfer case bracket. And I found a hole, another one. I found a few holes. I've got a few holes. I don't have to worry about the drain bracket for the turbo, because that's blown right off. Can't wait to see the carnage inside, see what happened. See if we could try to see what happened. I think a rod let go, to tell you the truth. Alright, so we got a bolt down here. I got another bolt down there. Looks like we got two up top. Alright, there she goes. I got the transfer case. I'm just going to set it over here for now. Out of the way. So I just removed the transfer case. This thing comes in handy. Here. I'm looking just to hold it so it don't fall. I hate using swivels. Guys, it looks like there's one more bolt, and then we should be able to try to get this out of here. Same size. Alright, so okay, here we go. Here. Alright. Move this out of our way. That's not good, guys. There is a chunk. if you can see that. In the starter gear there's a chunk of metal right in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's see what that is. It's not from the starter. I think somehow that flew in there from when the block grenaded itself, because this seems okay. I don't see any damage on it. Yeah, that's definitely it's definitely some mangled debris. This was behind the starter. You can see where the block broke apart there. I guess the next step is to take the clutch off. And I think after I take the clutch off, I'm going to call it a night for now, just because I've been working on this all day. And happy Easter to all you guys out there. Everybody's doing that social distancing thing. I had the joy of working on this car. Oh my God. Well, this is an original Luke clutch, and it does need replacement. It's getting, you guys can see it, it's getting real close to the rivets in certain areas. Oh, more carnage, guys. How did that get up there? Alright, so, you know, you're going to rebuild a motor. You know, all this stuff adds up, so, you know, you don't, replace some flywheels. I think this could be turned. I'm pretty sure. I'm not. No, I'm not. But that looks okay, so. And we got, wow. Oh my God, guys. You gotta see this. Let me get my light. Alright. Let me put this on high for you guys, so you can see this. Grab it. Bring it over here. Okay, so I see this carnage here. Look at the inside of the block. Oh my God. This thing grenade. Get some more light in here. This thing grenaded good. Well, I'm glad the transmission didn't get harmed from this. I don't think it would have.